Meta just swapped out Llama 4 for a brand new AI model on its smart glasses. But make no mistake, this isn't just a routine upgrade. This is the calculated, public debut of Meta Superintelligence Labs, marking an aggressive, strategic pivot towards on-device AI that fundamentally reshapes their hardware ecosystem and lays critical groundwork for their ambitious AR and VR future. This isn't just about a better chatbot on your face. It's about Meta owning the entire intelligence stack, from silicon to the soul of their metaverse vision. What just happened? As of June 8, 2026, Meta has officially replaced the Llama 4 model on most of its smart glasses with a new proprietary AI called Muse Spark. While Muse Spark itself was initially announced in April of this year, its full deployment marks a significant shift away from previous, more generalized models. This isn't merely an iterative update. It signals Meta's absolute commitment to delivering deeply integrated, advanced AI capabilities directly onto its wearable devices. Critically, Muse Spark is the very first public release to emerge from Meta Superintelligence Labs, or MSL, a newly formed, dedicated entity focused entirely on cutting-edge, advanced AI development within the company. Now for the technical breakthrough that makes Muse Spark so compelling. Initial benchmarks reveal that Muse Spark is not just incremental, it's a high-performance contender. In key areas, it reportedly rivals even larger, more compute-intensive models from some of the leading AI labs. Meta specifically claims Muse Spark matches the performance profile of its predecessor, Llama 4 Maverick, a powerful model in its own right. But here's the kicker. Muse Spark achieves this while using a staggering 10 times less compute. This 10x compute efficiency isn't just a nice-to-have, it's absolutely crucial. Smart glasses, like any edge device, are inherently constrained by power, battery life, and thermal limitations. Achieving larger model performance with such dramatically reduced computational cost represents a monumental leap in on-device AI optimization. It means sophisticated AI capabilities can run natively, responsively, and for extended periods without draining your battery or overheating the device. So who does this disrupt? Firstly, competitors in the burgeoning edge AI chip and model space now have a formidable new player to contend with. Meta, through MSL, is developing its own highly optimized, purpose-built solutions, potentially reducing reliance on third-party silicon or software for their core intelligence. For existing users of Meta's smart glasses, this translates directly into a more responsive, powerful, and significantly more efficient on-device AI experience, potentially unlocking a new suite of features and fluid interactions. Developers building for the Meta ecosystem will gain access to a highly performant and incredibly efficient model specifically tailored for wearable hardware, opening new avenues for innovation. And make no mistake, this move exerts significant pressure on other tech giants, Apple, Google, Microsoft, to accelerate and refine their own on-device AI strategies for their respective hardware platforms. Ultimately, the launch of Muse Spark and the public debut of Meta Superintelligence Labs represent a pivotal moment in Meta's long-term corporate strategy. This is a clear, aggressive move to own the entire AI stack, from fundamental research and model development right through to seamless hardware integration. This is a critical, foundational step in Mark Zuckerberg's ambitious vision for the metaverse and the ubiquitous AI-powered AR and VR devices he envisions. The intense focus on extreme efficiency, that 10x less compute, demonstrates Meta's deep understanding that the future of truly ubiquitous ambient AI will not be cloud-dependent. It will be built on capable, energy-efficient edge processing. Expect to see more highly specialized, incredibly efficient AI models from MSL, potentially expanding beyond smart glasses to power other Meta hardware and future platforms in the coming months and years. This is Meta betting big, not just on AI, but on their AI, and shaping the future of computing from the ground up. Subscribe to AI Pulse for daily AI coverage and in-depth analysis.